guys have now switched roles. You are now going to look at this commercial from the perspective of a voter. You are looking at it from the perspective of somebody working on a campaign staff. So I want you to go ahead and fill in the top with who you're currently campaigning for. That info, Gabriella. So let me go ahead and play this one.
I defended this country as a young man, and I will defend it as president. We need a strong military, and we need strong alliances, and then we will be able to tell the terrorists, you will lose and we will win. The future doesn't belong to fear, it belongs to freedom.
The Democratic National Committee is responsible for the content of this advertisement.
I will start with you guys over here this time. You're the campaign staff members. What did you notice in this commercial? Words or images that stood out to you? Tori?
When he said the future doesn't belong to fear, it belongs to freedom.
Good. Christine, and then Emily.
When he said, I'll tell the terrorists we will win we will win and you will lose.
Very good. Emily?
When he said that he defended the country as a young man, not just when he was president.
Gabriella?
Like the whole crowd was holding up posters for him.
Yeah, let's come back to that in just a second. Allison?
The American flag.
The American flag. Excellent. You have a whole crowd there. What is this a scene of in this commercial? Where are they? Cece? It's a speech. Maggie? I think Riley, you got it? Yeah, this is the Democratic National Convention that he is making this speech at. All right, very good. Andrew, what you got? Fact or opinion? Fact. What's your fact?
Served in the military.
Served in the military. Jack?
An opinion is you will lose and we will win.
You will lose and we will win.
Like for an opinion, we need strong alliance.
We need strong alliances. Excellent. And Ben?
We need a stronger military.
And we need a stronger military. All right, the focus here is on military, working together with other countries. We need a stronger military. He served in the military. Does anybody know when he served? Vietnam. Okay. He served in Vietnam. We are involved in a war on terror. John Kerry is emphasizing his military experience. I have experience fighting. George Bush didn't, so he's using this as, hey, I'm the more experienced one. What's this message that he is conveying in this commercial?
He's saying that he knows more about what war is, so he might be trying to convey that he knows what to do about it, and maybe George Bush doesn't.
Yeah, I think that is a big part of what he's doing here, is he's saying, I know, I have experience. I'm going to be the more qualified leader here to guide us through this war on terror. Okay, propaganda. Go ahead, Cece.
There's so many people there.
Absolutely. It's a friendly crowd. They're all Democrats. Yeah, it's bandwagon. Everybody's on our side. Go ahead, Riley.
I was going to say plain I just think I was in the military.
Yeah, I had a couple other people say that too. He's sort of emphasizing that, because again, John Kerry is a wealthy man, like a lot of candidates, but he's emphasizing this, but like a lot of people in this country, I served in the military too. So yeah, I can see that. And Andrew? Absolutely. Saw the U.S. flag, red, white, and blue in it. All right, quickly, similarities and differences. What do you see that's the same between these two commercials? Gabriella?
Both of them are like talking about freedom and the terrorism.
Yeah, very good. Both talking about freedom, patriotism.
They're both like supporting the candidate in the future. Like some commercials are like defacing other people.
Oh, okay. So not maybe the negative ads that we tend to see. It's a little bit more about, look at the good things that I've done. Excellent. All right, differences. Shamir.
Kerry, he seemed like he would strengthen our military more. He talked way more about it.
Okay, more focus on the military aspect of it. Very good. Gabriella.
Well, he was like had signs all around about him, and then George Bush, like you only mentioned his name like once or twice.
Yeah, I've had a number of people point that out as a difference. George Bush's commercial, you see him at the beginning and you see him right at the end, but he's not the center focus of the rest of that commercial, whereas in Kerry's, he is. It's all Kerry throughout the whole commercial.
Kerry.
It is Kerry, Kerry, Kerry. Yes, and Cece.
Like
Bush.
in the Kerry commercial, they were
Uh-huh.
actually talking about like what he's gonna do and stuff, and like the Bush one was a little vague, just like some ideas.
What did Bush's sort of focus on a little bit more? Democracy. What else? You said that Kerry's was more on what I will do.
Yeah, this is kind of like what has happened.
Yeah, and you see that happening a lot of times when you have candidates who are already in office and they're running for re-election. They're going to emphasize, here's what I've accomplished so far.